Hi everyone, it's Laura from Knitello. We are a handmade hair accessories brand for those of you who don't know. And if you want to check us out, links to our Etsy shop and our social media accounts are down in the description box as always. Today I'm going to show you 3 up to elegant hairstyles which can be worn every day because they are easy to make, not just on some formal events. So step 1, subscribe to our channel. Step 2, like this video. And step 3, let's make some hairstyles. So this is our first hairstyle, and it's a bun with some kind of business style. First, you tie your hair in a ponytail, and then make a small hole between the rubber band and the head and pull your tail through it. Then tie the end of the tail with a small rubber band and fold the hair to the other side and secure it with a bobby pin. You're probably gonna need more bobby pins, at least 2. Then you can pull the gathered hair up and down to spread the bun and give it more volume. A couple of threads can pop out, but that's why you can use as many bobby pins as you want. And the hairstyle is done. This simple hairstyle is done in a minute, can be worn every day, at work, or any casual occasion. And we are moving to our second hairstyle, which is another very simple bun. So divide your hair into 2 parts, top and bottom. Take the top, fold it, and secure with bobby pin. Then you can expand it to get more fullness. Take the bottom part and fold it in the same way and spread out these parts until a full circle is made. You can secure it with bobby pins so the hair does not fall out. You can pull your hair out a bit to give it volume, and you can also pull out a couple of front strands to make it look softer and more feminine. And you can decorate this bun in a variety of ways. I added our scrunchie, of course. And here is our third updo. It's also very simple and easy and quick to make. Tie your hair in a ponytail again and tie its bottom with a small rubber band. Then make a hole in the ponytail and pull the hair through that hole. And pull out a couple of hairs to increase the volume of the tail to make it look bigger. Then hold the lower part, bend it and secure it to the head on the right side and also on the left side, so it's more secure. You can pull the ends a little to connect the tail or this little bun to the head. You can pull your hair out for fullness and a couple of front strands and you're done. And this updo is very beautiful in itself. It can be worn every day and it's really easy to make. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I did a good job showing you those hairstyles. Try it and let me know. It would make me really happy to see how it turned out for you. And if you came so far in this video, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new hairstyles. And that's it. See you next time. Bye!